Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to create a really quick look using the Life's a Drag palette by Looney Beauty. So this is the Manny MUA. This is his brand, this is his palette, and it was on a Black Friday offer, like for half the price. So I was like, snatched. So it's with these colours inside. You've got more of like, these are my colours from here onwards. These are my kind of colours, the neutral warms, with like nice shimmers, and a black and a white basics is what I need. This is more of like the nicer, this colour here is also my kind of colour, so it's like this and then from there onwards. These are more creative colours. I'm like not that kind of person, but I am turning into that kind of person, if you get what I mean. So I'm trying to just put more colour into my life. But today I'm going to do a really simple, quick look using this side, because this quad right here just looks so beautiful. It's like the perfect kind of brown look. I think I might create a cut crease though with this, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the colour Sickening, which is this one right at the top here. These are actually very pigmented also. I'm going to take that. That's the lightest brown, and my eyes are already prepped and primed, and I'm just going to first place this up here. So kind of where the brow bone is, the socket, and blending that out. So I think I am going to create a cut crease. So I start with the lightest, then the second lightest, or the second darkest, the third darkest, and the darkest. So that's how we're building up colour. And I've got to do it quick while the sun is setting, because it gets dark hella quick. Alright, I'm going to take Hunty, which is like a cool tone brown, next to it over here. Okay, I think I'm going to take the colour Mug right here, which is a deep brown. This one's more of like a burgundy brown. I was thinking of using all four, but now I'm just going to start using Mug just to see how it looks like. Back in with Sickening, which is the first colour that I used to buff this out at the top here. Okay, I think I've decided I'm going to make it like a half, like a middle cut crease. So we're not going to go from the inner corner out, we're just going to go, I think, from the middle. So I'm just going to really intensify where I'm going to cut the crease. So we want this to be really intense. So I just started in the middle, just above where my eyelid folds over, and I'm just creating the shape, because I've never done this before, so I'm kind of just experimenting. So I've started right in the middle, and I'm stopping right about here and right about here, so the same exact space between the outer and inner corner, and I'm just blending the concealer down. Okay, with a smaller brush, I'm going to take the same Mug colour, which is that deeper brown. I'm just going to start on this outer corner quick, and then slowly just build up that crease. I'm not going to start shading yet, I'm just building up that crease just so I can see it. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this shimmer colour called Legendary, which is like a beautiful bronzy gold, like a really beautiful shimmery gold. I'm going to take that on my brush. I just want to see how it picks up first, just with a dry brush. Okay, now I'm going to put this where I have the concealer, just in the cut crease. So it picks up very well, even without wetting the brush. But what I am going to do, I am going to wet the brush because I feel like it gives me more of like a liquidy eyeshadow feel. So I'm just going to spray some fixing spray on my brush. And now I'm just going to pack it on. It gives it more of like a liquid metal look. Okay, I'm going to extend it out a little bit just past the cut crease line so that I can blend it back in with the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to take Mug and Tray together to darken up the outer and inner corner. So from the outer corner here, I'm going to add some more of that sickening right up in here just to intensify that brown orange at the top. I'm going to take Trade and Mug again, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. I'm going to take more Mug, which is the actual earthy brown colour, and I'm really going to line the lash line. Then the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Love highlighter on the inner corner here. And blend that with my finger. And under the arch of the eyebrow as well. I'm just going to put the Gosh Infinity Liner in 004 Earth in my waterline. It's a brown, so it's not going to be too much. I don't know if you'll even be able to see much of it anyway, but it does do a little bit of a difference. I just want to add a little bit more to the eye because I feel like it's cute, but I want to add a little to it, you know. So I'm going to add the Kiko glitter liner in 01, and I'm just going to add it where I cut the crease, right here at the top, just in the middle. This is more like a Christmassy green, yellow, red, blue liner. I'm going to use the Lash Queen London eyelashes in Honey. Boom, she cute, she feathery, she light, she not too much. So that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lashes, and then I'll be back with my finished look. Okay, so this is the final look. I've completed it with some curly hair. I haven't done curly hair in like 2 years, so yeah, I've styled it out. I feel really like, you know, like I feel sassy. Like I love curly hair, and I never do it because it always ruins my hair. So, you know, next time you see me, I'll probably have the chop. But this is the look. It's a very simple cut crease with a really quick glitter line on it. And I've styled it out a little bit. I'm looking at my monitor because I'm really trying to see what it looks like. I've also got box lights on because now it's like literally pitch black outside, and it wasn't that long between the last take and this take. So this is the final look. Very quick, very simple. If you did like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.